Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Donald Jewel. Over the years, I have come to discover that one of the hardest things for graphic designers to actually achieve is financial freedom. They find it so hard to really make money, not just money enough to take care of themselves and their expenses, and to also find money enough to invest into other ventures, because graphic design is just actually one stream, and if you don't know how to pull out cash from this one stream into other things that can become multiple streams of income to you, the truth is you will keep on wasting cash and spending money for nothing. So I have actually come up with a solution for you. Out of my 8 years experience as a graphic designer, I have actually packaged together a material, a book that I have titled the Millionaire Graphic Designer, and this is to help you to crack the code to making millions as a graphic designer. This book is mind-blowing. These are the same strategies I have applied over the years, from customers and client relationship management to how you can handle bad clients, to how you can crush 500k monthly and more, depending on how serious you are with this thing you are doing, and also how you can manage and multiply your money. So I have packaged this book together for you. The link to get this book is actually in the description of this video. There is how to get this book. If you want to get this book right away, head down to the description of this video and click on the link. There are two ways you can get this book. Click on the link or use the other methods that is right there in the description of this video. Now, that is not all. Let me show you what comes with this book that you are about getting. I have actually written more than 5 books as a creative graphic designer and an instructor. Okay, this book is available on seller.co. Every graphic designer is a potential millionaire, and this book will help you to become that millionaire. This is that right book that you need to actually multiply how much you are earning and you can make as a graphic designer. Now, if you get this book, what comes with this book is 2 other of my books that are worth 10,000 naira. They are coming to you for free. You are getting them for free, and one of those books is Creatives and Money. Creatives and Money. This book talks about the 5 things you should start doing and the 5 things you should stop doing to make money as a graphic designer. When you order this book, you are going to be getting this book for free, and also you are going to be getting this other book for free too. Things that crashed my first business and how I corrected them. These are 25 things I did wrong when I started my business and I lost my first business. And I also explained how I avoided these things at last and how I corrected them. And today, I have been able to build a successful business from scratch again. Now, when you order a copy of the Millionaire Graphic Designer, you are going to be getting this book worth 5,000 naira for free, and this also worth 5,000 naira for free. Now, to order a copy of the Millionaire Graphic Designer, use the link in the description of this video right away. Do that right away now, because this book is actually on pre-order for 3,000 naira. Once the pre-order is over, this book will be selling for 10,000 naira. Do that right away now and pre-order this book. And when you pre-order, you get these other 2 books for free. So if I were you, I will go out right away and grab a copy of this book that comes with these 2 other books for free. That means you are getting a whole lot of package worth 10,000 for free, and a book that is worth over 10,000 naira for just 3,000 naira. Please hop into the description of this video and grab your copy right away. Grab your copy right away. Grab your copy right away. Grab your copy right away.